Hello everyone, welcome to DigiBytes. I am Vaibhav Gupta, your Alteryx expert, and today we are going to learn about another interesting use case of Alteryx, that is sort tool. We will see with some sets of examples that how we can sort data with a sort tool in Alteryx. Then why wait? Let's start. In order to understand the sort tool, let's first drag in a data set and then let's play around with it with the sort tool. So I dragged here input tool. Now I will select file, let's say sales data. We are containing a like sales order sheet under that sales order data. Now if I run it, we have 7 columns here. So now I want to sort this data on the basis of units field. So the least value should come at the top and the highest value should come at the bottom. So for that, I will drag in here a sort tool. So you can see there are two sets of configuration here. First is we can select the column name on the basis of which we want to sort. So in our case, it's units. Then what we wanted is the smallest value at the top and the highest value at the bottom. So we will do it in ascending order. So now let's run it. So if you see here, the null values are considered to be the least values. There is nothing there. So they are coming at the top. Then after that 2, 3 and you can see 96 at the bottom. So highest value is at the bottom. If I again select it here descending, then it will be just reverse of this. So if you see here, now the highest value is at the top and null values are at the bottom. So in this way, you can use the sort tool. Also, suppose now on the basis of units I have already sorted. Now I want to sort on the basis of unit cost as well. So let's say I will select here unit cost as well and again a descending. So now if you see, first it sorted on the basis of the units, then it sorted on the basis of unit cost. So in this series, I like can select all the columns and can arrange them on the basis of sorting. Apart from these column and order selection, there is another option which is called as user dictionary order. So if you see here, we have all the dictionary levels available from different languages and their configurations. So if I select a different language and on the basis of that I want to sort the data, I can use that use dictionary order and data will be sorted in that way. So this is one of the exclusive feature that has been included here in Alteryx for sort tool. So in case you have any queries regarding whatever we showcased here, or if you have any further question regarding sort tool, then you can write us on the video, or at the same time you can write us over the mail that has been given in the description section. Please keep watching our videos and do subscribe our channel. Thank you.